G'day and welcome back to the garage. With the first Facebook poll now completed, we have a clear winner in the first round, and it's the 1992 WR500. And now it's time to choose between bikes 3 and 4 to find out which bike will take on the big WR in the final poll. This is a 1995 Honda CR250. While the bike is in reasonable condition, it does have some known issues. The rear suspension is one. There's not much shock absorption happening here. And then there's the frame. The lower rails have been poorly repaired and will probably need to be replaced. So what will I do with this one? Well, it's one of my favourite looking 90s bikes, so it'll be restored back to original. This is a 1999 Yamaha YZ125. I purchased this bike just like it's shown here, so I don't know much about the engine, other than the damaged Kickstarter shaft. So the plans for this bike are a little different. I want to make it look older than it is, just like one of my favourite models, the 1996 YZ. They're about the same shape as this bike, so it shouldn't be difficult, but this one won't be original. It'll have some custom touches. So which bike is your favourite? Jump over to the G9 Garage Facebook page and cast your vote. The link is in the description below.